Environmental restoration careers are gaining traction in today's eco-conscious world. Professionals in this field help revive degraded ecosystems, focusing on reforestation, wetland restoration, and desertification prevention. Among them, restoration ecologists assess damaged habitats and implement strategies to heal them. Landscape architects also play a vital role by designing spaces that enhance biodiversity and promote sustainability. Additionally, project managers coordinate initiatives, ensuring that restoration efforts meet environmental regulations and community needs. With the increasing focus on climate change, the demand for skilled experts in environmental restoration is only projected to grow further.